Dow futures tick higher following negative session. U.S. inventory futures remained little modified in the course of Wednesday's nighttime deals, after important benchmark averages ended the normal session lower and U.S. Treasury yields rose as buyers monitored symptoms of a potential economic slowdown. In extended offers, Oxford Industries Inc. (NYSE) OXM introduced 6% after reporting Q1 EPS of $3.50, beating estimates of $2.75, at the same time as sales got here in at $352.6 million versus $329.03 million expected. Five Below Inc. Nasdaq 5 fell 5% after the organization suggested Q1 EPS of $0.59, barely above $0.58 anticipated. Revenue got here in at $639.6 million versus $654 million predicted. Grief Bros Corporation (NYSE) GEF introduced 5% because the organization suggested Q2 EPS of $2.41 as opposed to $1.71 anticipated on revenue of $1.67 billion as opposed to $1.51 billion predicted. Yext Inc. NYSE Yext received 2% because the business enterprise stated Q1 losses of 6 cents in line with percentage, barely higher than expected losses of 7 cents pre-proportion. Revenue got here in at $98, $8 million versus $96, $8 million anticipated. Ahead within the consultation, traders can be maintaining an eye on fresh preliminary jobless claims information as well as earnings from NEO Inc. NYSE, NEO, DocuSign Inc. Nasdaq, Docu, and Rent the Runway Inc. Nasdaq, Rent. During Wednesday's regular buying and selling, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 269.24 points, or 0.8%, to 32,910.90. The S&P 500 shed 1.1% to close at 415.77 and the Nasdaq Composite slid 0.73% to finish at 12,086.27. On the bond markets, United States 10-year quotes have been nearing sparkling 4-year highs of 3.027%.